la eMpumalanga eMsokwaba phakathi bafowethu. This is our organization bafowethu. It's MBSDH bafowethu. It's a Christianity hub kahle kahle. Even if vele bongakhonza mafika la when you get to our organization, of course ababukeli bethu emakhaya ngiyalibikelela futhi mina ugama lami vele bafethu uKhuto wakalibiya bafethu ngicamukela Limpopo mara sengikhona khona la ePinari bafethu niyabona nani ngiphethe majita wami vele sesikhona vele ngiphethe uMatsani lapha yana uHumutso Matsani, and then we have our guest ukhona la Tovicho bafethu niyabona bafethu special guest yethu bafethu is here right on the center nambona bafethu. He will introduce himself, guys. Uzonitshela ukuthi yena ubani uya kuphi, and then tina bafethu let me just not forget ukuthi tina sebenza ngani bafethu la